Right folks, here we go. Now Brian, this is part 2 of the video. We've been to the house in Aldbar. Now we're going up to where we're going. Where are you taking me?
Aldbar Dam.
Aldbar Dam, right.
It was at one time where they rediverted the river down to this old abandoned mill, which we're about to see at the bottom of this hill.
Excellent. Right, well there we go folks. It's a place I've never been before, so I'm quite excited. Extra point already on the spizometer because I've never been here before.
In the last video I should say we were at the Aldbar chapel. There's many historical abandoned locations. So here's another one.
Actually, I think I might have been here before, Brian. This looks familiar. The old haunted house there. Well, it's spooky, man.
The old haunted map.
Whoa. Yeah, look at this.
So at one time that door would have probably been for unlocked here to the top.
Yeah.
Maybe around the back of here, would there have been a water wheel or something?
Oh, maybe.
Should we go?
Should we
We're
going to see if there's a water wheel here.
We'll see if there's any interesting things.
Pretty horrible,
Is this wild garlic or something?
Actually, it'll be the garlic, wild garlic. The stream goes all the way down there. It's inside section. We're getting in.
There's a cat.
A what?
A cat. It's away. Just went out the door.
Oh, let's get it off. So inside the mill here now. This would be the. No, I'm scared that the foundations crumble around, but this would have been the workshop, I'd imagine. That was a fireplace there, look. Excellent. Right, disaster.
That's a crucial time to
Oh no! Oh, there's a ladder of stairs going up there, look. Oh, it's a footpath to Aldbar Dam. No, we're going this way though, right. Signpost there says footpath to Aldbar Dam along there, but according to BKR here, it's better to go this way. It would just be overgrown and too much water.
Too overgrown.
Yeah, too overgrown, right. Okay, so we're going the long way around. The river here, folks, look. Excellent.
So the river today is so much lower than the last time I was in here. Fan base that's willing to buy like
Merch, yes.
That's a big thing. Here, this is so.
What's going
This
on?
is so-
Where's it come from, folks? Right, folks. So similarly, we're actually we're walking on the dam. I don't know how you can. Would this all been water here then, Brian, a long time ago?
This side, because it was more, it's a dam to divert the river rather than to hold the water.
Oh, it's just a diverting dam, similarly. So is this it? This is what we're on, the dam now?
Well, this is all bits that's been man-made.
Right.
To contribute to the water.
So I was expecting a nice stone dam or something. I can't see anything here, man. So I think I've been misled. Oh no, there's giant hogweed there, folks. Look. Oh, crikey. Oh, there's a bit there. Look. Look at that. Wow. Oh, this, folks. Look at that. Dangerous, very dangerous hogweed. That's giant hogweed.
Where we're going to come to winch it up and down. This is a little man-made.
So is this it? This is the dam.
Yeah, this is the most mechanical part of the dam here.
Oh, look.
Look at it though, it's cool.
Yeah.
And at one time there would have been wooden things here as well. Look, this is where they would have wound it from with that square.
Oh yeah.
Look at that spider's egg sac.
Oh. So we're looking to see how it works. Here's the cogs, and so you would have wound that up, and that would have
Let the water
lifted up there. Yeah, lift it up.
And then look at that.
Spiders working folks.
This is
What's
the
in the
whole-
water? There's some sort of iron mesh thing. That's it.
Yeah, there's a grid in there. It must have been
Must have been underneath
over there to
yeah.
stop debris.
Debris.
Aldbar
Yep.
Dam.
Right, folks,
right,
right, we are. This Aldbar Dam, this sort of old sluice gate here, and you would have wound the handle here, and this would have lifted the gate up, and the water would have come through and into there. And this was all sort of built to divert the water into certain directions. And this bit here was obviously where the main flow of water came down, so they could release it into this bit here. So yeah, it's fascinating. Old style, old school, but fascinating. Right, be there in a minute. There's the dam, folks. A cool bit for BMX. Yeah. Now look at these blocks. Look, it's lying about. Right, folks, we're here walking along the old riverbed. This would have been all waterized, covered in water a few weeks ago, but it's just dry now. In fact, I mean, here's a pool here that's just been sort of left, but it's amazing how much nature and wildlife is still kicking around. I mean, look at all this stuff that's just growing here over the last couple of weeks. And in this water here, there'll probably be like 20 different species, probably more, of little fish and things. And oh, it's a horrible. Some fish have probably been caught in there, been trapped, and they'll be stagnant. Oh, what a way to go, man! It'll be horrible. It'd be like us being caught in some sort of, you know, container that's got no air in it, and just slowly breathing it. And you know, at the end of the day, you can't breathe anymore. Oh, what a way to go! No, right, folks. We're heading back now. So that's that was quite interesting to see. So on the right, we're going to give it like a 10 on the spizometer, Brian. So we'll do it together, right?
Right.
So on the spizometer, 1, 2, 3, 4.
6.
Oh, so you know what? That's a 5, isn't it? In between, a 5.
6 because I've never been on a video.
Yes,
that was it.
Fair enough. Yeah. Well, 4. Oh, interesting bird noise. Yeah, 4 because it was a nice walk here, and I was with Brian. So that was 2 points. It was something I'd never been before. 3. And an unusual sort of location to find, and a sluice and a dam, and I like dams, so there's your 4 points. But yeah, an excellent little stroll there as well. So, bro, you would have really enjoyed that. So, thank you for watching, folks. As always, I'll see you sooner than you think. Bye for now.
Cheerio. Yeah, in the future.
Right, an amazing thing there. That piece of wood, it's on film that Brian threw into the water. And we just forgot all about it. It's actually here. We're just walking around down the bank here, and we've seen it. Here it is. Look, it's there. There it is. It'll end up in. Where'll that end up? Arbroath.
Aye. The sea.
Yeah, we'll end up in the North Sea. And you know, I was just saying, folks, there's no fungi, but Brian's found some. That's like a liberty cat, but it's too yellow to be a magic mushroom. So it's just I think it's quite an average bit of fungi, that, but awesome. Get a photograph. There's that bit of wood again, folks. Look. There it is again. Look. Right. Hello. Come on then.